Welcome, friends. Hard work is the key to success. So, work hard to achieve your goals. Today, I have brought some important questions on current affairs. So, let's start. My first question is: which nation will host G7 Summit 2021? France, Canada, UK, US. The correct answer is UK. The G7, originally G8, was set up in 1975 as an informal forum bringing together the leaders of the world's leading industrial nations. The summit gathers leaders from the European Union and the countries like Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the United States. My next question is: what is the rank of India in UN's Human Development Index 2020? The correct answer is 131. The Human Development Index is topped by Norway, followed by Ireland at second position and Switzerland at third position. According to the report released by United Nations Development Programme, India has been ranked 131 among 189 countries in Human Development Index 2020. The index is a measure of a nation's health, standard of living, and education. My next question is: which ministry has launched the Economic Diplomacy website? Home Ministry, External Affairs Ministry, Tourism Ministry, Corporate Affairs Ministry. The correct answer is External Affairs Ministry. The External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar launched the ministry's Economic Diplomacy website. The website aims to showcase India's economic strength as well as sectoral and state-wise strength. My next question is: Mohammad Amir, who announced his retirement from international cricket, played for which country? Bangladesh, Afghanistan, England, Pakistan. The correct answer is Pakistan. Pakistani pacer Mohammad Amir confirmed his retirement from international cricket to the Pakistan Cricket Board. My next question is: the 55-year-old Chilhati Haldibari rail link is set to reopen between India and which nation? Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. The correct answer is Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh are all set to reopen the 55-year-old Chilhati Haldibari rail link to enhance connectivity and transport between India and Bangladesh. The inauguration took place during a virtual bilateral summit between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina. My next question is: when is Vijay Divas observed? December 15, December 16, December 17, December 18. The correct answer is December 16. India celebrate Vijay Divas to mark the decisive victory over Pakistan in 1971 war. My next question is: who laid foundation stone of a hybrid renewable energy park in Kutch recently? Narendra Modi, Vijay Rupani, Adityanath, none of these. The correct answer is Narendra Modi. The 30,000 megawatt hybrid renewable energy park will be the world's largest, with both windmills and solar panels being set up to generate power in Gujarat's Kutch. My next question is: India has decided to collaborate with which country through a new virtual hub to distribute vaccines? Japan, Russia, US, UK. The correct answer is UK. The experts from the United Kingdom and India will collaborate via a new virtual hub for distributing vaccine for COVID as well as for other deadly viruses. My next question is: Name the aerospace scientist died recently. Satyendra Singh, Purushottam Rai, Juliet Binoche, Rodham Narsimha. The correct answer is Rodham Narsimha. Rodham Narsimha was an Indian aerospace scientist and fluid dynamist. He was a professor of aerospace engineering at the Indian Institute of Science. My next question is, which country will host 2023 FIH Men's Hockey World Cup? India, Spain, Netherlands, Iran. The correct answer is India. The full form of FIH is Federation International de Hockey. It is the international governing body of field hockey and indoor field hockey. Its headquarters are in Lausanne, Switzerland, and president is Dr. Narendra Dhruv Batra. It was established in 1924. My next question is, who is the author of the book The Shaurya Unbound, released by Om Birla? Neetu, B.M. Dinakaran, Barack Obama, both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. The book is co-authorized by Neetu, DIG CRPF, and M. Dinakaran, DIG CRPF, along with their team. The book has stories of the recipients of Ashok Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. The book is released on the 19th anniversary of the parliament attack by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Its Hindi version is Samundar Samaye Boond Mein. My next question is, Indian government has approved how much financial assistance for sugarcane farmers? The correct answer is 3500 crore. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, chaired by PM of India Shri Narendra Modi, has approved assistance of about rupees 3500 crore for sugarcane farmers. Currently, there are nearly 5 crore sugarcane farmers and their dependents in India. My next question is, which Indian state has brought into force a Land Grabbing Protection Act? Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat Land Grabbing Protection Act ensures time-bound and speedy disposal of complaints and protect the interest of farmers and common man. A stringent anti-land grabbing law with a provision of a minimum of 10-year imprisonment, which can go up to 14 years for violators, has come into force across the state. My next question is, which country has launched its 42nd communication satellite CMS-01? US, India, UK, China. The correct answer is India. India successfully launched its 42nd communication satellite to provide service across the country. The satellite CMS-01 lifted off a polar satellite launch vehicle from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on the island of Sriharikota. My next question is, which Indian woman won ITF doubles title in Dubai recently? Riya Bhatia, Mehak Jain, Karman Thandi, Ankita Raina. The correct answer is Ankita Raina. Indian tennis player Ankita Raina won her third doubles title by claiming the ITF double title in Dubai along with Ekaterine Gorgoj. Full form of ITF is International Tennis Federation. It was founded in 1930. Its headquarters is in London. Its president is David Hegarty. Friends, if you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.